In this video, I will show you how to calculate the number of years to retire, and we will calculate it with the help of Pduration function. Suppose this is our data and you want to invest today $200,000 in the retirement plan which offers 4% interest rate annually. You figure out that you need 500,000 to retire, so you want to calculate how long it will take for you to retire. So here we will calculate how long to retirement. So you have to go to the formulas tab. In formulas, you have to go to the function library group and then financials. Under financials, you have to find out P duration, and the P duration argument box will open. So rate, so here you have to click 4%. So the cell reference, which is B8, will appear here. Present value means 200,000, which you are planning to invest today, and the cell reference is B9. Future value, you need 500,000. Cell reference is B10, and then OK. So it will take 23.3 years before you may retire. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching the video.